Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, time to sleep, the night is far. Close your eyes and softly say, Bismika Allahumma, Amutu wa Ahya. Allah's watching through the night till the sun brings morning light. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. How I wonder what you are.
Alhamdulillah, we had so much fun today. Don't forget to say Bismillah, pray on time. Like, subscribe, and join us again soon, inshallah.